Hi guys, so today is going to be another unboxing video and I got this one from Kitchen Academy. So let's see what we have in the box, and it does say on the box here that it's a cookware set. So I'm really excited for this because anything cookware I love, right? So let's see what they sent me here. So here are the covers. Wow, really good quality covers, guys. Okay, so let's see, here we have a steamer basket. Oh, so guys, this can be used as a steamer basket, or this can be used as your frying basket. That's what I would do with it. I would get double uses out of this one item. Here is the pot, that it's a steamer pot, so you see it has the holes at the bottom. I would say it's not heavy, but it's really lightweight. So it's a copper pot set, and it does have the name Kitchen Academy at the bottom. It feels very ergonomic. It's not very heavy, but it has a good weight to it. So this is really pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try out and cook with these. We have another bigger pot. So if you look at the sizes, ooh, I really like, and it stacks, which is really good. Or you've always wanted a copper pot set, you guys are in for a treat. Wow, really nice. And of course, when I'm finished, I'm going to be testing this out. So I'm just unboxing it for you guys. Here we have a frying pan. This looks like an 8-inch frying pan. Maybe a 6-inch, I would say. And then we would have the 8-inch frying pan. So we have a 6 and an 8-inch frying pan. So guys, this is the big pot and this is the steamer basket. It fits perfectly over this pot, so I like that. And then for the frying basket, it sits like this. And as I said, I would use this for both frying and steaming. So you can use it to steam vegetables. So you have your water and your vegetables in here. You steam or you fry. You take it out. Really handy. I love this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some garlic spaghetti for you guys utilizing the pot. And then we'll maybe fry an egg testing out these pots. So let's get started. Let me give this a wash and fill it with some water. Let's boil some spaghetti. So it just took the water like 2 minutes to come up to a boil. So I'm going to go into my pot with some salt. Tin spaghetti now. I don't like my spaghetti to be very long, so I'm just going to break it in half. And we're going to allow this to boil until it's al dente. I can tell you guys that the heat distribution on this pot is really good. Like, it's perfectly distributed, and you can see that you're getting a rolling boil throughout the entire pot, not just in the middle. I can tell you guys that the pot handle is not very hot. It's warm, so you can pick this up without using a mitten. But I'm a professional in the kitchen. I'm accustomed to heat and stuff, so if you're a home cook and you're not accustomed, please use mittens. So you want to return the pot to your stove and make sure your heat is on a low for this, because we're going to add some butter into the pot and we don't want the butter to burn. So I'm going in with some salted butter, or you can use unsalted if you like. And to this I'm going to go in with some red pepper flakes. And this is totally optional. You can add as much, or you can even add fresh chili if you wanted, or habanero pepper. And I'm going to grate in a few cloves of garlic, because we want to make a nice garlic butter sauce. Now you just want to mix this in here, and the reason why we had the heat on low is because we want the garlic to infuse into that butter. And if you wanted to add some garlic coconut oil to this from CGA Limited, you can. It's going to add more flavor, but we want the garlic to get nice and soft and sweet, hence the reason why low heat. The garlic is smelling very fragrant. Now I'm going to go in with some dried parsley. You could also add some rosemary to this if you like, or any other herb, dried herb that you would like. And I'm going to go in with some black pepper and just give that a mix. Now the garlic is very tender and fragrant, I'm going to go in with that cooked spaghetti. Now I'm using tin spaghetti for this, but of course you can use any type of pasta you like. And I'm also going to go in with some freshly chopped parsley. Just going to give it some additional color. Now if you wanted to add some tomatoes to this, you can even add some clams before you put in the spaghetti. You can put in some clams and let it cook in that garlic butter sauce, or even shrimp. Allow it to cook before you put in your pasta. And if you just want to mix this really well, and then this is ready to be served. If you wanted to top this off and gild the lily, you can add some grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese to top this off. But this here is a really simple, easy vegetarian dish that you're going to love. So guys, now I want to test the frying pan. So I'm going to go into my pot with just a little bit of oil. And if you wanted to omit the oil, of course you can. I just really like, when I fry an egg, I like it to have those nice crisp edges, and the oil gives you that. So I'm just spreading that oil out on the frying pan. And once your frying pan is nice and hot, you're going to crack in one egg. And I always like to break up my yolk, I don't leave it whole. And then I'm going to go in with some black pepper to season, and some salt. And we're going to allow this egg to cook. Or the amount of heat that you put onto that frying pan, that's the color that you're going to get. So I'm just going to flip this. And that has a perfect color for me, a nice brownish whitish color. So I'm just going to allow it to cook on that side, and then this will be finished. My egg is finished. And guys, you can see how great this frying pan works. Really, really great. I absolutely love it. So guys, I have to say this was a really great pot set to work with. Just using these two pieces out of the set already tells me how great the other pieces are going to be, because they're the exact same make and type. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this review, and the recipes that go along with the pot set. This is a really great recipe here by itself, and then we just have the basic fried egg. So if you guys are interested in purchasing a pot set like this, I will leave the link to purchase down in the description box. Just click on that link, it will take you to Amazon where you can purchase this item. So I'd like to say thank you all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.